finished product. Won 3D printed Saxxy award from Team Fortress 2. Gonna clean up the edges a bit and then I'm gonna paint it gold just like it is in the game. And as always, I'm looking for new ideas for things to print, so if you have something that you would like to see me print on my 3D printer, leave it in the comments below. And if you like my videos, please like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot. Once upon a time, there was a man who did not subscribe to Dr. Buddha's channel, and then he died.